The best full-size luxury SUVs to buy in 2026. At number 5, the Lincoln Navigator remains one of the most effortlessly comfortable and commanding luxury SUVs on the market. The design is elegant and unmistakably Lincoln, with its signature chrome grille, polished LED lighting, and a towering presence that radiates confidence. Without needing to shout, step inside, and you're met with one of the most meticulously finished interiors in the class. Every surface, from the hand-stitched leather to the real-wood veneers and polished metal accents, feels carefully crafted. The front seats are genuine showstoppers, 30-way adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage, while the second row captain's chairs can also be heated, ventilated, and reclined. The third row is generous too, with the Navigator L offering about 36.1 inches of legroom, making it one of the most spacious third rows in any full-size SUV under the hood. The 3.5 twin-turbo V6 puts out for 140 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth, effortless power on the road. It feels like a rolling cloud, soft, composed, and almost silent inside. Some drivers may find it a bit floaty on uneven pavement, but that relaxed tuning is part of the charm. And if capability matters, the Navigator delivers there too. With a towing capacity of up to 700 pounds, it has the highest tow rating on this entire list. For 2026, Lincoln refines its 48-inch panoramic digital display, updates Blue Cruise hands-free driving, and tweaks colors and trims even better. Lincoln has lowered the Navigator's starting price for 2026, now beginning at $94,600, making it a stronger value than before. It remains one of the most family-friendly, most comfortable, and most capability-rich full-size luxury SUVs on sale today. At number 4, the Mercedes-Benz GLS carries its nickname, the S-Class of SUVs, with absolute confidence. It's elegant, composed, and every bit the executive transporter, blending upscale refinement with family-friendly practicality. The GLS 450 features a 375 horsepower mild hybrid inline 6, while the GLS 580 steps it up to a 510 horsepower twin-turbo V8. Both engines deliver buttery, smooth acceleration through a refined 9-speed automatic, making the GLS feel effortlessly powerful on the road. The Airmatic air suspension and adaptive damping system soak up imperfections with ease, giving the GLS one of the best ride qualities in the entire segment, second only to the Range Rover's cloud-like glide. Inside, the GLS fully embraces its luxury roots. The cabin features sumptuous leather, open-pore wood trim, customizable ambient lighting, and the latest dual-screen BMW X interface. The second row is especially impressive, offering heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, giving passengers nearly the same comfort level as the front. The third row is easy to reach thanks to a power-operated second row, and it provides adequate, though sometimes tight, space for kids and shorter adults, making it practical for family duty. With a starting price of around $90,000, the GLS strikes a beautiful balance between European sophistication, luxury comfort, and everyday usability. At number 3, the Cadillac Escalade continues to enjoy king of the road status as the ultimate American full-size luxury SUV. Few vehicles project presence like this one. The towering proportions, the massive shield grille, the vertical LED signatures, and the clean slab-sided profile all come together to create an SUV that feels part limousine, part luxury yacht, and fully unapologetic. Whether you crave the attention or want something that commands respect without asking for it, the Escalade makes a statement everywhere it goes. Under the hood, the standard 6.2-liter V8 delivers for 120 horsepower, giving the Escalade the confident, effortless acceleration buyers expect at this level. It's smooth, authoritative, and pairs beautifully with the 10-speed automatic, making highway merges and long-distance cruising genuinely relaxing. And if you want something truly unhinged, Cadillac still offers the 682 horsepower Escalade V, an absolute monster with supercharged V8 featurix that turns this luxury rig into a sidewalk-shaking performance SUV. Despite its size, the Escalade glides with an impressive level of refinement. Magnetic ride control and air adaptive suspension help it float over rough pavement while keeping the cabin calm and composed. It's one of the smoothest and most comfortable driving SUVs in the segment. Inside, the Escalade feels palatial. The jaw-dropping 38-inch curved, old display stretches across the dash in one sweeping arc, blending instrumentation and infotainment into a futuristic, High-resolution cockpit materials are top-shelf, hand-stitched leather, real wood and micro-etched metal accents, and space is abundant in all 3 rows. Choose the ESV long wheelbase and you unlock a massive 140.8 cubic feet of cargo space, the largest cargo capacity of any SUV on this list. Cadillac also offers Super Cruise, giving you hands-free highway driving on compatible roads, a major advantage for long trips and daily commuting. There are trade-offs, of course. The top trims can get extremely expensive, and the big V8 remains thirsty at the pump. But with a 2026 starting price of around $93,700, the Escalade delivers a tremendous amount of luxury, tech comfort, and sheer presence for the money. If you want iconic American style, paired with unmatched space and effortless confidence, the Escalade still stands tall as the SUV others measure themselves against. At number 2, the Range Rover LWB continues to be the benchmark for ride comfort, refinement, and effortless prestige. In the full-size luxury SUV world, if the Escalade dominates with boldness and the Range Rover rules with grace, it doesn't need to shout. Its elegance is felt the moment you see it. The clean body lines, flush glazing, floating roof, and jewel-like LED lighting give it a timeless, almost architectural beauty that few SUVs can match. Where the Range Rover truly separates itself is on the road. Its adaptive air suspension continuously scans the pavement and adjusts in milliseconds, delivering the smoothest, most isolated ride quality of any SUV on this list. Sleepy towns, broken streets, and rough highways, the Range Rover irons everything flat. It glides with a sense of calm that makes every drive feel like a decompression session. It's the kind of SUV you step into after a stressful day and feel instantly reset inside. The cabin is a masterclass in modern luxury, minimalist, quiet, and meticulously crafted. It blends buttery leather, open pore-wood ceramic controls, and thoughtful ambient lighting into a warm, SPA-like environment. The LWB model adds a genuinely usable third row without compromising the legendary Range Rover second row experience under the hood. You can choose between a mild hybrid inline-6 or a twin-turbo V8, both tuned for silent, effortless acceleration. For 2026, updates include new special editions, refined materials, and a faster, more responsive infotainment system, starting at around $113,000. It's the highest priced SUV on this list, but also the one that delivers the most serene, confident, and luxurious driving experience money can buy. When it comes to pure comfort and sophistication, the Range Rover still sits on the throne. And finally, at number 1, the BMW X7 is the most complete, full-size luxury SUV on the road today. Nothing blends performance, refinement, and daily usability quite like it. The X7 offers 3 engine options. The redefined xDrive 40i with a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-6, the athletic M60i with a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, and the ultra-exclusive Alpina XB7, pushing things into true super SUV territory with massive power and bespoke tuning. But the star of the lineup and the real sweet spot is the xDrive 40i. It delivers the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and smoothness, making it the engine most buyers should choose. Where the X7 really rises above its rivals is in its personality. It's the most agile, most engaging, and best handling SUV in this entire class. The adaptive air suspension lets it corner with the poise of a midsize SUV, yet it's whisper quiet and incredibly composed. On the highway, the steering is sharp, the body control is near flawless, and the whole vehicle feels eager and athletic. Traits you'd never expect from a 3-row luxury giant. It simply drives like a BMW, and that's a huge compliment. Inside, the X7 feels modern and meticulously crafted. You can get crystal glass controls, customizable ambient lighting, supple merino leather, and a sweeping, curved iDrive 8.5 display that's both futuristic and intuitive. There are 2 small trade-offs. The cargo area isn't as generous as some competitors, and the third row is really best for kids, meaning your mother-in-law might not love riding back there on long trips. But starting at around $87,900, the X7 xDrive 40i is also the most fuel-efficient SUV in this group, at up to 25 miles per gallon. And BMW includes the best maintenance coverage here. 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary service. Fast, refined, comfortable, efficient, and genuinely fun to drive. The X7 is the luxury SUV that truly does it all. So there you have it, the standout full-size luxury SUVs of 2026, each offering its own blend of comfort, capability, performance, and personality. Whether you're drawn to the quiet confidence of a Range Rover, the sharp precision of a BMW X7, or the value and peace of mind you get with an Infiniti QX80, there's a perfect match out there for every kind of luxury family driver. If this helped narrow your short list, drop a comment below with the two you're deciding between. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to tap that subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive from Motor Future.